Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully everyone's having a great day like I am. We hit 500 subscribers last week, and I appreciate everyone that hit that subscribe button up to this point. And after this, I'd like to just thank everyone for watching my videos, commenting. You know, I love just making these videos. They're fun to do. And I like to record my progress with the little project car here. And one of my favorite things I've done so far, I mean, there's a lot, but man, this D&D setup, look at that. Let's see if I can get focused. Look at that quick release. I love driving this car with that. It just feels great. So, say thank you for everyone that subscribed, and anyone that will subscribe after this point. I'd like to do a little giveaway. So here we go. Got a D&D little bag here, air freshener, 2 stickers. Of course, I got to throw in a Hot Wheel, because, you know, I love me my Honda Hot Wheels. And then this thing. Let me get this opened up for you guys. So here we go, D&D Interior Performance. I'm hooking up one of you guys with this amazing quick release. I mean, look at this. This will work for any car with a hub already on it. So it doesn't have to be a Honda, but you just have to have an aftermarket wheel and hub, and this quick release can be yours. Here, let me see if I can get this focused up. Look at this thing. So to get entered into this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe. Go to my Instagram post. I'll post a picture of this quick release and then give you a little bit more details on what to do. But pretty much subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and then there might be 1 or 2 other little things to do, like tag a friend. Will be all in the description below and on my Instagram post. So if you like this video, I mean, I'm giving away something. You better give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, because you know you want to get in this giveaway, and comment anything down below. Thanks again to all of you for watching. Until next time, peace out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, baby.